everyone, it's Susie Lee with Lina Boutique. How are you? Come on in. Okay, without further ado, I'm going to show you what we're going to do here tonight. I have got a Christmas project tonight. We have got new from Totally Dazzled. They are the new Totally Dazzled Rhinestone stencils. And we are going to be doing, there's two methods to put this on with. And we're going to be doing the first method, which is the glue method. And let me just show you these stencils that you get. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 packs of these stencils. He's so cute. I just pulled him up off Pinterest today. I wasn't even going to do this, and I saw him and I said, I have to. Now I have to. This is roughly all a Dollar Tree project, all but a couple of things. Is he not the cutest Santa? Look at that face. He looks like he could be related to my mother's side of the family. Anyway, I'm going to trim him up and just see. This is the 3x5, I believe. I printed 2, a 5x7. He'd only need to be trimmed up a little bit. Oh, hold on. Let's see if this is 7 inches. I'm going to just trim off a little wee bit of his beard. Should I use the big one like this? The big one? Okay. All right, we're going big. We're going big. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to Mod Podge him in here. Make sure he fits in there and lays down nice. Lay down nice, Santa. Santa baby. Oh, yes, he's perfect. Perfect. We're going to Mod Podge him right on here. And we're going to see what we're going to do. Okay, so we're going to get some Mod Podge on here. Okay, get them in there. We're going to dry them up just a little bit. We're just gonna get some more Mod Podge on him real quick. There we go. There we go. He's in there. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our, I've got some fine tip pens, but I'm gonna use this. Yep. I'm gonna use a little marker. And I need, I'm going to be using the letter S. Now, these are perforated, let me just tell you. And make sure this is good and dry because I don't want to pull off the Mod Podge, right? There we go. There we go. She's coming off. Okay, now you can see it's very sticky back. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to tear at the perforation line here. I'm going to put S here, but I'm going to have it kind of up a little. See, I'm going to do SC for Santa Claus. Cool, huh? All right, so I'm going to do the C first. All you do is you take your pen and you make a little dot in the center-ish, all the way around. And you're just making a little pattern. That's all you're doing. Okay, now when you are done with your stencil, you're going to take it and you're going to put it right back where you found it. And we're going to go ruby because that is going to stand out really nice on this, the red, because what other color would Santa's monogram be, correct? Gems here. I'm just going to take my B7000 and everywhere there's a dot, we're going to put a little B7000, and that's that is how you use these patterns. Now, and it goes really fast, as you can see. Get your little picker pen here. SC, Santa Claus, right there. Okay. Okay, he's going to end up part of this project here. Okay, so let's get this part done, and it's a real easy, simple project. What I did was I took 3 of the Dollar Tree, those little, you know, the little signs you get from the Dollar Tree. Sometimes you get them seasonal. I took 3 of them and I glued them together. That's all I did. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint. The bottom part is going to be like the hearth. It's going to be black. And the back and the sides are going to be red. Red. Speaking of sticks, I got some. These are from my son's yard. Last couple of years ago, I was looking for pine cones in his yard because he had like 30 trees or more in his yard, and he had a bunch of pine cones, and I got these mammoth ones. They're so pretty. Anyway, I took them home and I baked them in the oven, got rid of all the bugs. And so what we're going to do tonight with these little sticks, we're going to make logs. I took a big stick and I just cut it with my little, I have a little knife and a little cutter. And I'm going to put these in here like logs on the fire, y'all. Okay. Now we have logs in our fireplace. Okay. And we're going to take the string of lights that I got on Amazon. I'm just going to string them in here through that little hole. How they're lit up inside there. Okay. And what you're going to do is you're going to take this piece here, and where there's screws on here, you want the screws to be on the outside here. I'm going to glue it to the back. Okay, now, here we go. These were from the Dollar Tree, right? This was from the Dollar Tree. Santa was free, got them online. So we're going to take these from the Dollar Tree. These little shelves you can get them in black or you can get them in white. Okay. But what we're going to do here, nope, goes this way, is we're going to add this shelf to the top like this, and a shelf, turn the shelf this way on the bottom. Oh, what do you see? We're going to glue that on like that, see? So we have a fireplace and it's lit, y'all. How about that? So what we're going to do with the fireplace is we're going to accessorize it with Santa and find my stuff. Like that. I have some berries too down here that we're going to stick in. Some little berry picks we're going to. Isn't that something out of nothing? Seriously, y'all. And you can hang this because these two here have little hangers back there. So if you wanted to, you could hang this. I'm just going to do a cute little, what do you call? Shoelace bow. And it's wired, and it's, you know, it'll be puffy and pretty. Little wreath. This is a little antique bronze wreath. That would be cute, kind of hanging up there. And hold. Oh, how pretty is that? I don't need to have this easel back here, but he is going to get adhered right here. Ain't he cute? Okay, and then lastly, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your little trees and you're gonna add them to the side here. Kind of, you know, you can attach them permanently or you can leave them just kind of like this. Thanks again for being here. Have a great rest of your night. All right, love y'all. Have a great night. Bye.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.